Northern Lakes League softball, two top teams, Springfield and Perrysburg. Scoreless through two, top of the third, 𝗦𝗽cie freezes 𝗦𝗨𝐶𝗵𝗵𝗵 Plummer at the plate to keep the Yellow Jackets off the board. Home half, Blue Devils with momentum on their side. Cam Hall capitalizes. A two-run shot to deep center field, her second of the season, gets the Blue Devils going. In the fourth inning, Blue Devils bats heating up. 𝗦𝗫cie 𝗦𝗽𝗏 leaves the yard. Solo shot to left makes it a three-run game. Then 𝗦𝗽𝗏 back at the dish in the fifth, finds the gap in left. That's going to bring in another run. It was a solid day for the senior. A double, solo homer, and an RBI single, just a triple short of that cycle. 𝗦𝗨𝐶𝗵𝗵𝗵 adds 8 strikeouts as the Blue Devils win it 4-1.
It's always important to get the offense rolling because without offense, you don't have a game. So I think when Cam started us off with that home run, it just really got us all going. It's early to get a good jump on teams just so you know what you're looking for, know what you're competing against. Yeah, it's great. I wasn't sure we were going to play just because of the wind. It was kind of bad, but I'm glad we got to play. It was a great game.
Springfield with the W, and we send it back out to our two favorite W's, Brad 𝗦𝗨𝐶𝗵𝗵𝗵 and Steve 𝗦𝗨𝗀𝗋𝗋.
Thanks. Back out here in Holland. And when it comes to this matchup, this is a game you always want to be able to see. And today, it had to be moved to Holland to get this game underway. But when it comes into this matchup, Springfield this season, the defending Northern Lakes League champs, 8 starters back, and that showed today.
It did. You know, you talk about veteran experience in this team. It just absolutely showed it, especially on the defensive side, I thought was really where it made a big difference. Perrysburg just not able to get any offense. They had one opportunity in the third inning, got a couple of runners on with nobody out. They had the bases loaded with one out, couldn't get a run in, and then all of a sudden it all turned around the next half inning as this Springfield team was able to find the home run ball after that. So you play well defensively, and then you turn the offense up, and that's exactly what Springfield tends to do.
Yes, Cam Hall got the offense started with the 2-run homer for the Lady Blue Devils. And then you also tack on the performance today of 𝗦𝗫cie 𝗦𝗽𝗏. Perfect 3-for-3 day at the plate. Top to bottom, this is a very challenging lineup to go through for any pitcher. And when it comes to Perrysburg, you heard my partner mention the Jackets had their opportunities there in that third inning. Springfield responded to take control of this game. You'll have to remember, though, when it comes to Perrysburg, no seniors on this team, very young group.
Very young group. They'll find their way as the season moves along. I tell you, there's a lot of talent on this team. A couple of defensive lapses throughout the game. That'll be fixed, but you can't have offensive opportunities and not take advantage of them. They got to find hitting in the bottom third of the lineup. They did that a little bit today early on, but you find consistency, and this Perrysburg team will be okay. Springfield, you got to love the fact that you got 𝗦𝗨𝗪𝗧𝗧𝗏 inside the circle. She doesn't make a whole lot of mistakes, and that really leads to a lot of good opportunities offensively as well for Springfield.
𝗦𝗨𝗪𝗧𝗏 finished with 8 strikeouts today for the Blue Devils. Springfield wins round 1. Now let's get ready for next week because Perrysburg's got Anthony Wayne. Springfield, they'll also see the Generals. Cannot wait to see how the rest of Northern Lakes League play plays out.